Beloved South Africans, a divided nation can never stand. We accepted democracy in 1994 and we forgot to make a very important thing. We forgot about our spiritual cleansing. We never made peace with our past. When democracy came, yes, we voted, we were given rights, and the constitution was introduced. But the most important thing, the spiritual covenant, the spiritual cleansing, where we, the people of South Africa, black, whites, Indians, coloreds, never united in prayer to ask God to heal us, to heal our past. And we just took the constitution and continued and took what the politicians gave us. The years went by and most of black people never got to heal from the past injustices. And the politicians used that opening to gaslight us, to make us to hate white people and paint them as racist who never wanted reconciliation. Today we are divided. Foreigners are displacing us. Systematically, they are displacing us. The Arabs and the Asians are taking over the corporate place, the corporate work, the financial resources of this country. And they are employing foreigners, the Africans. We are being displaced. This is a systematic displacement. Immigration affects us all. And you'll never hear politicians speaking about immigration or doing anything about it. They terrorize us. They open fire and kill our children. They kill our people with drugs. I know a lot of white people who are drug addicts and were kicked out of their houses by foreigners who gave them drugs. Today they are homeless, they stay in streets, they are beggars in streets, they roam around the streets. So this problem is with us. We need to face ourselves. We need to face our past, accept it, and heal, and unite. Yes, we were divided in the past by racials, but we must unite in love, in diversity. That's what the Constitution says, united in diversity. I can never hate an Afrikaner because I'm 41 years and I've never experienced apartheid. The only violence I experienced is when I was a kid. Politicians were fighting for power in townships, and they were employing Nkabis to shoot each other. So I can never hate an Afrikaner for wanting to preserve their culture. It's better. I can never hate AfriForum because they are preserving their culture. They are better because they preserve themselves. They preserve their language. They preserve their culture. And they are doing way much better than politicians, black politicians, because they only care about themselves. The very same white Afrikaners. Where I live, I drive past R59. When the grass is big there, it's the white farmers who stays in Klipprefir with their own resources and their own employees who cut the grass there by R59. That the politicians fail to do. So there's a reason why God has brought Afrikaners into our country. There's a reason. There was a reason. Because they are the ones who are farming. They are the ones who are making sure that we have food. Unlike other countries that failed, that chased away farmers. So fighting amongst ourselves won't help us in any way. Our real enemies are politicians. They are the ones who are dividing us. They are the ones who sow divisions among us. They want to rule us by divide and conquer. So my message today is that we must unite in love with one voice, and God will hear our cries. For the scripture says in Proverbs 29 verse 1, when the wicked are in power, the people mourn, the people cry. God will hear our cries. I want us to unite in one voice, to love each other with our differences, and to call for regime change for the future of this country. Our country is in chaos, and we cannot go on to pretend that everything is fine when nothing is going well, when we are being displaced. There are a lot of intelligent people, black, white, colored, Indians, who are outside politics, and they can do a better job than what politicians are doing. Let us set our egos aside and unite with one voice and love each other and accept each other the way we are. Slogans won't take us anywhere. Fighting for politicians and their agendas won't take us anywhere. All we need to do is to unite with one voice. Regime change, reformation. I thank you.